Hi everyone, this is Margarita with CityGal Papeterie. I wanted to address a few things with you guys that I felt were really necessary before I start posting my next few videos. First and foremost, I want to thank all of you for viewing my videos. I want to thank all of the new subscribers for deciding to join me on this journey and for watching, any videos that inspire you or that interest you. Thank you for your comments and your likes. I really appreciate them. They're very motivating and they're very inspirational just to keep going forward with crafting and the like. I surpassed a milestone that I had been looking forward to for a while, which was to get to 500 subscribers. And I was planning on doing a giveaway, but it kind of came and went faster than I was able to prepare for. So I'm not going to be able to do a giveaway for right now, but I will do my very best to have one coming up soon. And very important, I wanted to address a couple of questions that I've been getting lately about a few things regarding the channel. So one of those questions is why I don't do voiceovers, or can I do voiceovers? I could do voiceovers, but there would be a lot of background noise. I have a small living space and I have a 4-year-old who you can't hear him right now, but he is home with me. I've asked him to play quietly for just a little while, but it's very, very difficult to get quiet time at home. And I do work out of the home, so I don't get a lot of this like natural light, and I don't, so there may be a lot of edits in this video just because I'm probably gonna have 1,001 interruptions, and that's fine. I mean, that's just, and someone wanted to say hi. You can wave. This is the little face to the little hands that you sometimes see helping me with my crafts and my cards. So my son wants to stay in the video, so I'm just gonna kind of hold him here for a little bit. And anyway, this is part of why there are no live videos or voiceovers. And like I said, that's perfectly fine. This is life, and I enjoy my life. I also wanted to talk about why I don't have a supplies list. I have gotten some questions about that as well. And the reason is I don't promote any specific companies or brands, at least not right now. I don't, work for anyone other than my outside full-time job. There's no supplies list because I don't promote any specific companies right now. Not that I won't in the future, but right now I feel that it's just really important to use what you have, and I'm a firm believer of that, of using what you have and not having to go out and spend money on anything because someone told you to or because you saw it somewhere. Also, when I see other people's videos, I usually watch for inspiration, sometimes to learn certain techniques, but I don't watch them to create exactly what they're creating, because I feel like, it's important as a crafter and an artist to be original in your work. And it's flattering when someone wants to recreate your work, but you don't always get credit for that. And so I don't know, to me it's not as important the supplies that I use, more so as like the techniques or the ideas that other people can use to create their own paper crafts or projects that they need a little bit of inspiration for, or just looking for some ideas. It's also possible to recreate lots of things that you've seen using different supplies. Not everything has to be with any specific brand or type of, ink or color, etc. And the next thing I want to talk about are upcoming projects for the channel. I have been getting a lot of really, really great feedback on the embellishment videos, so there will be a lot more embellishment videos and scraps videos. Those seem to be the most popular, and I do enjoy doing them, so I will definitely be making more of those. And I wanted to use more of my scrap embellishments. I tend to love making them, but I don't always use them because I feel like a lot of them are very appropriate for scrapbooking, and I stopped scrapbooking a long time ago, but I do want to start scrapbooking again. The main reason is that I am expecting another baby, and I want to be able to capture those moments, you know, as they're happening versus backtracking, which is what I'll be doing for a little while, backtracking photographs of my son, you know, as he was growing up. And so the next couple of videos are going to be scrapbook layouts. I also do hope to create a few more art journaling videos. I really miss art journaling. I find it very therapeutic. I find it something that is almost necessary in my life. So I definitely want to do more of that. I find it a little bit more time consuming because I like to take my time with it and kind of go with the flow of how I feel. And I use inspiration for lots of different things when I do art journaling. So I'm going to take a moment to kind of get ideas and some drafts together and just create some more art journal projects. I also wanted to mention that I do have a link on every video of my Etsy shop, which currently doesn't have anything on it. It was very time consuming to maintain the Etsy shop, so I did shut it down for a little while, but I do anticipate starting that up again soon, and I'll probably just be including a lot of paper crafting supplies or handmade items that can be used for other things or other projects. So if you're interested in that, you can keep an eye out, or you know, keep popping in or checking in. I'll probably put another update on that when it is up and running. And the last thing that's going to be upcoming for the channel is the blog renewal. I had a blog that coincided with the channel. The link is also included in every video, and it's still there. I just haven't updated anything since like Father's Day, I think was the last blog post, 2017. So it's delayed, but I do want to start that up again. And on the blog, I will definitely include supplies just because that is part of the project. But in the video itself, I feel like it's not necessary. But if anyone wants to know anything that I've used, any kind of supply, any kind of brands of anything, please ask. Just put it in the comments. I'll do my best to answer any of those questions. And as I've mentioned in the past, I inherited a lot of my products and supplies, so they weren't really labeled, and I sometimes don't know what they are. I just have them and I use them. So I might not be able to provide the brand or name of something or what year it was available, or if it's still available, but I will make an attempt to find that out, or find something similar that you could find if you are interested in knowing what supplies or what products I've used. And so that's all for today. Thank you guys again so much for tuning in to the channel, for subscribing, for hitting the bell, for all of your likes, all of your feedback. It's so greatly appreciated, and it is really motivating and inspiring to hear someone else say that watching your video helped them to get out of a creative funk or something like that. That's very, very motivating, and I hope to keep doing that. I mean, that's kind of the goal, is to share ideas with others and to be part of a community of creative people. That's the goal, and I'm so happy that you are all here. So stay tuned for any upcoming news, things of the channel, things of the new projects, and I will do my best to keep providing content that you enjoy. So see you soon. Bye.
Mommy, why are you talking to him?
I'm talking to the camera.
Why?
So I can put it on the computer. Silly. Created.
Can you see my hair? I had mistakes.
So I look pretty in the video.
No.